that produce consistency and individuality in a given person. An organized combination of attributes, motives, value, and behaviors unique to each individual. The set of emotional qualities, ways of behaving, and makes a person different from other people. Personality also leads us to act consistently in different situations and over extended periods of time. And personality, individual differences in characteristic patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. Minsan, tinatanong natin sa ating mga kaklase, in friends, uy, gano'n naman anak ka? Gano'n, yun na nagano'n ka, di ka matuko. Sabihin na ng grupo, bes, kailangan naman dyan ko. Diba? Atong i-discover atong kaugalingon. Para mailahan nato, kung nganong ingon ana imong best friend, nganong ingon ana imong enemy, nganong tabian man ni siya, nganong hilumon po kayo ni siya, nganong makabuhig patay ni isa, o maayo kayo mong istorya ni isa. That is because of the personality of the person. Now, according to Sigmund Freud, he is an Australian physician. He developed psychoanalytic theory in early 1900s. According to him, conscious experience is a small part of our psychological makeup and experience. Duha ba na siya? We have conscious experience and we have unconscious experience. So he also argued that much of our behavior is motivated by the unconscious. What is unconscious? Unconscious is a part of our personality that contains the memories, knowledge, beliefs, feelings, urges, drives, and instinct of which the individual is not aware. So katong mga butang na wala makita, wala mahibagi sa uban, that is your unconscious. Katong node sa uban, makita sa uban, that is conscious experience. Okay? Na-differentiate na ito ang conscious o unconscious, magawas na ako niya sa exam. Iceberg. Kisa nakakita ng iceberg?
Sa picture.
Sa picture, diha.
Yeah.
We have an idea of what is an iceberg is.
Titanic.
Titanic? Oo, Titanic. Katulad nyo sa mga North Pole, South Pole, no? Iceberg. So the question is, how much do you see of an iceberg? How much do you see of an iceberg? Manawag ko, what is your idea about an iceberg? Joke lang. Okay, an iceberg is a small tube to make life 100%. Okay? An iceberg can also be related to the personality of the person. Divine ang iceberg. The iceberg phenomenon is also applicable to human beings. Because katong nasa above sea level of an iceberg, katong nakita nato, that is our knowledge, our skills, nga known to everyone. That is our conscious experience. Pero ang ato ang, di ba, beneath the sea level, mas dako siya ang iceberg. That is our attitude. Especially if you are meeting a person. Di ba, mato mo sa agency, ikaw bago ka dito, stranger ka. Di ba? Wala kang kapaloob sa mga batasan nila dito. Di ba? So you have, not really to measure or so good, but you have to observe while you are in that organization, especially pag bago ka. Now, kabalo mo sa structure of personality, we have ego, the superego, and id. Diba? According to Sigmund Freud, ang structure sa personality, tulo ka buo. Now remember, that there tulo ka structure sa personality na ana sa atuwatanan. Naa kay ego, naa kay id, naa kay super ego. Depende na lang tayo na sa atua, unsa nga personality ang mas mo-prevail. When we are stimulated with stress, pressure, situation, depende kung saan nato pag-respond sa ato ang kaugalingon. Depende na dahil kung kinsa ang mas mo-prevail. Si ego ba? Si super ego ba? Or si id?
Pwede participate.
Pero before that, ato sa kinailangan, kung sa ni si ego, super ego, and id. The ego and the super ego are the conscious experience, and the id is the unconscious. Now, this is the structure of personality. Si id, the raw, organized, inborn part of personality. It is the basic core of our being. Ibig sabihin, pag anak nato, it is there already. Muna siya si id. Si ego begins to develop soon after birth. So si ego is mo develop. Pag anak ni mo, ma-develop si ego. And the super ego develops from direct teaching from parents, teachers, and other significant individuals. The super ego now has a saman na ay influence ang environment. Okay? In terms of principle, si